Welcome to freshmind.com. My name is Eric and I'm going to talk about the grid a little bit. On my screen I have a grid. You can turn that on and off a couple of different ways. You can go up to the display menu up at the top and you can just click on grid to turn it off and turn it on. You can also go to the options box, which is a little box right next to the word grid under your display menu. If you click on that little box, it's going to bring up some options. It'll allow you to change the length and the width of the grid. It'll allow you to change grid lines, how many units. So if you're set to inches, every 5 right now mine's set for 5, which means every 5 inches is going to be a grid line. So you can change how many units are between your grid lines. You can choose how many subdivision lines there are. You can change the colors of your grids. You can also choose what to display, what parts of your grid you want displayed. Axis, thicker line for the axis, grid line, subdivision lines. You can also choose to, for your perspective grid numbers and your orthographic grid numbers, you can choose to hide those or show them on the axis or along the edges. So there's a few options you can play with. Another way you can show the grid, I'm going to pull up a 4-panel view. I can turn on or off the grids in each one of these view panels by going up to the view panels menu bar under the show, and towards the bottom there's a grid. I can turn it off or on, and I can do that for any of these view panels. And that concludes this tutorial. Thanks for watching.